Step into luxury and confidence with this 2018 Newmar Ventana 4049, a beautifully designed diesel pusher built for both performance and full-time comfort. As you walk up, you're immediately greeted by the striking Fieldstone full-body paint and Newmar's premium finish quality. Built on a Freightliner chassis with a 400 horsepower diesel engine, this coach delivers a smooth, powerful ride, whether you're cruising the highway or climbing through elevation. Stepping inside, you'll notice the warmth of the Carmel glazed cherry hardwood cabinetry paired with elegant marble tile flooring that extends throughout the coach. The living area feels open and residential, with premium seating, a large overhead television, and Bose audio that creates the perfect space to relax after a day of travel. Moving into the kitchen, this is a true all-electric coach, meaning no propane to worry about. You'll find a residential Whirlpool refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and even a drawer-style dishwasher, making extended stays easy and comfortable. In the rear, the master suite features a king premier air mattress bed, generous storage, and a stacked washer and dryer for true residential convenience. You'll find a spacious full bathroom that feels truly residential. It features a large vanity, solid surface countertops, and plenty of storage, along with a roomy shower and consistent hot water from the Oasis hydronic system. This coach is equipped with Oasis hydronic heating, providing quiet, efficient heat and continuous hot water, along with an energy management system and auto-generator start for seamless power control. With recent full servicing, brand new tires, and consistent Freightliner maintenance, this Ventana is road-ready and built for peace of mind. You can truly appreciate the thoughtful design, from the power cord and water hose reels to the keyless entry and power baggage locks that make setup simple wherever you go. This is more than just a motorhome. It's a refined travel experience built on quality, comfort, and reliability. To view all photos, see the MSRP, and complete details of this stunning motorhome, click the link in the description below.